Thank you to the customers in the Republic of Congo for choosing to buy our EA640C2 rental LED display. EA640C2 is a product with excellent performance. With its excellent heat dissipation performance and well-designed cabinet structure, it ensures stable operation during high-intensity use. This display is not only quick to install and greatly improves work efficiency, but also has dust and water resistance functions, and can adapt to various complex use environments. EA640C2 adopts a thin and light design, which is easy to transport and install, and is very suitable for multiple uses in the rental market. It not only excels in performance and design, but also provides a clear and stable visual experience for various activities, exhibitions and stage scenes.